Now to the Middle East, where nearly 2 million pilgrims from around the world are gathering this week near the Muslim holy city of Mecca for the annual Hajj. Worshippers are crowded in close quarters, often eating and sleeping outside, which health experts say may put them at risk for illness. Saudi Arabia's health minister says the kingdom is ready. VOA's Arash Arabasadi has more.
The annual Hajj is underway in Saudi Arabia. This year, nearly 2 million Muslims from around the world gather near the holy city of Mecca. The pilgrimage is required at least once in the life of every able-bodied Muslim who can afford the journey. But it's certainly not without health risks, with so many people living so close together out in the elements.
If there is but the smallest doubt that indicates any person might have a specific disease, or if we find that they have not taken some vaccinations, the first thing we do is vaccinate.
Saudi Arabia's health minister says more than 30,000 health professionals working at 25 hospitals are offering free medical services from vaccinations to open heart surgery.
We make sure that nobody enters with a specific disease, and if they do, we keep them under our watch until they are better, after which they return back to their countries.
Worshippers arrived in Saudi Arabia on Sunday amid heavy storms that sent some ducking for cover in makeshift tents. Civil defense officials warned of possible flooding throughout the night. But weather conditions calmed, and pilgrims resumed this mandatory ritual of Islam.
I was around 27 years old when I came for Umrah. Now I'm 65, towards the end of my days. So for God to will me to come here for such a huge thing, the fact that I'm here is God's will. It's the ultimate joy. But what is most important is that God accepts my Hajj.
The Hajj is one of the world's largest organized events, and it poses logistical challenges for Saudi officials. In the past, there have been deadly stampedes, fires, and riots. Officials say preparations for pilgrim safety this year started months ago. The Hajj ends this Friday night. Arash Arabasadi, VOA News.